Welcome back. If you are just joining us, this is KTN Life and Style, and it's Thursday, so it is Artistic Thursday. Exactly. Nimeona some of your tweets, guys. Nataka kuongea na nyinyi, okay? Tweet me using the hashtag KTN Life and Style. Can also tweet me directly if you like. I'm Jeroge underscore on Twitter. Message me on Facebook or Instagram. By there I go under Surah Comment. But the show is amazing. I hope you're having a good Thursday morning. I'm super pumped. We have more dances, more choral verses, poems, everything you could name on the show there for you today. So before I take any more of your time, let's go back and enjoy some more performances.
Today, what are we going to cook today?
Mary!
Who is Mommy?
Mary!
Oh, yes, Father.
Oh! Come here. Today, I have some good news for you.
News, Father?
Yes. Today, I had a visit from Joseph the carpenter.
Joseph the carpenter.
You know what I mean?
Oh, I understand, Father. Does that mean that we are to get the new storeroom that Mother has been wanting? Father, that will be just a good surprise to her.
No! Better news than that.
Oh my God, better.
Yes.
Hey, tell me.
Joseph has noticed you in the entire village.
Joseph noticed me.
And he came to ask me for your hand in marriage. Hey!
Hand in marriage?
Yes.
Me? Marriage?
Yes.
Jesus.
Amka.
Marriage.
Utaki kuolewa?
Marriage, Father.
Yes.
God. But Joseph is older than me, Father.
So, you want to get married? Unataka kuolewa na mtoto?
Okay, Father, listen here.
Huh?
We've just conversed with Joseph for quite some little while. And when I have seen him, he has been very good to me. I've seen his eyes on me at times.
That's what I'm
But
telling
Father,
you.
I must accept that I had not planned, I had not thought of Joseph as my husband.
I don't care if you think of him. Mimi bora niletewe dowry. You know Joseph works at the king's new capital city.
Guy, kings. Father, you are talking of kings. I'm just a mere girl. Just wait.
Yes, you see, Joseph works at the capital city. You get married by a person who is skilled. And I get dowry.
And you were just happy because of dowry and 1, 2, 3
Yes.
things. You're just not happy about how I'm going to feel. I'm telling you, I had not thought of Joseph as my husband, Father.
Na utaolewa tu.
Okay, if I may ask, is Joseph... You were telling me he's just a good catch. But I'm so surprised that Kina Wanjiro and the rest of Wairimu have not caught him before now.
Wewe ndio anataka.
Joseph. Joseph wants me.
Wants you.
Okay, if I may ask, is Joseph around?
Naona sasa ulikuwa hata unajifanya umtaki. Ameenda. Lakini I have
you,
something.
Father, you are just looking at how Joseph works in the king palace and whatever. You are not looking at how I'll be, my happiness, what my feelings are. Well.
Don't worry. Joseph is a good man and well thought of among those who know him. It is said, if you want a job well done and at a fair price, he is the one to ask for.
But I'm just a mere girl.
Usirudie kitu tena karibu na mimi.
Father, you're just making me become scared. Scared than how I was.
Don't worry. Mapenzi ni kuvumilia. Anakupiga, unavumilia.
Surely.
Anakupiga,
You're telling me to go be beaten.
No, he can't beat
na
you.
huyo Joseph.
Haizi kupiga, anapiga nyundo na msumari.
Okay, nimekuuliza, is he around?
No. But guess what? He's coming to eat with us tonight.
Oh my God, Joseph is coming to eat with us tonight.
But don't be so happy. You look ugly.
Look ugly.
But your mom bought you.
But you usually tell me that I'm the beautiful.
You are
Mama.
beautiful, but your clothes are dirty. Unajua uelewi hizi vitu. So do this. Go shower. Wear your best dress. It will be a time of celebration.
Thank
Go.
you. That solar is too much. Mother sent me some bread in the market. And I'm just right at home, but I cannot see her. Mother! Here's the bread, Mother.
Mary, Mary, do not be afraid, for I am sent from the Lord, who has always loved you. Mary, I give you greetings, for you are looked upon with great favor. God, who has always loved you, he has chosen you for a special task. Listen to me. You are about to become pregnant, and soon you will give birth to a baby. You are to name him Jesus Christ, because he will bring salvation to all mankind. He will be great and be called the Son of the Most High. God will make him sit on the throne of his father David, and he will rule over the people of Israel forever, and there will be no end to his kingdom.
What have I just heard? How can this happen? Joseph and I are merely betrothed. And we are not yet together as husband and wife. It's so frightening. Oh my God.
God's Holy Spirit will come over you and place the baby within your womb. The baby will be holy. Indeed, he will be called the Son of the Most High.
In the history of our nation, it has never happened. God, and why me? Huh?
Mary, again I say, do not be afraid, for God has looked into your heart and has chosen you for this task. There are also others who work out God's design.
What do you mean? Joseph?
Yes, not only Joseph, Elizabeth, who was barren, she's now on her 6th month.
Elizabeth. Huh? They used to call her barren. And she has a child, 6 months. If God has looked at me with such kindness, then who am I to say no? Therefore, I'm God's handmaid. Then let it happen to me, as you say.
Yes, for with God, nothing is impossible.
Wait. And what's her name?
My name is Angel Gabriel.
Jesus, Angel Gabriel. I'm just a mere girl from the village. Huh? It's just frightening.
Mary! Mary!
Yes, Ma.
Oh, Mary, bring me some oil quickly. The men will be here any minute now, and dinner is nowhere near ready.
Oh my God, Mother, I wish you knew this. Mother, I've seen an angel.
And, Mary, some flour. You can start making the cakes.
Mother, I've just been visited by an angel. It was a real angel now.
Mary?
You need to hear this.
Mary! And can you please tell Naomi to this time fill the jars? They'll be expecting us to change water into wine
or some sort. Mother, I've just been visited by an angel. It was a real angel. He had a message for me. He said that I'm to be a mother. It's so shocking. A very young girl like me, a mother. 15-year-old.
Mary, I'm sure Joseph will be delighted to hear that. But Joseph, as a young man, and you, a fit young girl, I'm sure it did not need an angel to tell you that.
But mother, you need to know this. It's not going to be Joseph's.
Pardon? Mary? Mary. Come here, Mary. Come here, Mary. Let me tell you. Listen carefully.
I'm listening, mother.
A fine man, a good catch. He may not be rich in the world's wealth, but you and Joseph descended from King David.
King David.
And that's something you should hold your heads up for. Even if the priests of Jerusalem have brought their house into disrepute, my dear, you and Joseph make a fine couple.
Good. Mother also says I make a fine couple with...
Homena, pradekadek, wingie. Hey.
Habari yako?
Vizuri sana.
Nango.
Berainya kama.
Haleluya. Mimi nimetoka hivyo kwa nyanya zangu, naenda nyumbani. Ndio. Na wewe uko hapa?
Mimi nauza. Si unaona kazi inaendelea. Omena.
Kama kutoka Gedhumo ama wapi?
Gedhumo. Lake Victoria.
Asante. Nini mbaya na Waisa?
Ni nini na huyu? Mama Aisha.
Muulize.
Woo!
Habari yako? Habari?
Mama Aisha.
Uko mzuri? Mama Aisha. Habari? Sikuambia tuambie nini baya. Salimie, salamu ni nzuri. Nini baya?
Nesha wangu.
Amefanya nini?
Nimemfungia.
Ukai moigwe. Amemfungia kwa nini?
Ule besti yake Maria.
Mere.
Namjua. Ule.
Umempata?
Naambie.
Atakola ball.
Hey! Nasai uora.
Hey,
Ni nini tutafanyia watoto? Tumewalea vizuri. Hakuna kitu tutawapatia. Nini sasa hili?
ndio.
Unajua venye Aisha wangu na Mary venye wanakuwa very close. Yeye hata anaogopa atamkiza ugonjwa.
Lakini acha niwaambie, wewe Waisa kufugia mtoto si vizuri wewe.
Wewe unajua anatangaza na nani? Jacob.
Hey! Jacob ni gani tena?
Hebu tuambie. Na acha niwaambie mama wenzangu. Mimi nawaambia ukweli yenye iko. Jana hii ya jana. Hii ni jana ni Neira.
Leo juzi jana.
Mama yake akakuja hapo soko kununua dhokoma. Acha niwaambie. Akasema nini? Ati msichana wake anampea stress. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu ati anasema ati your spirit, imagine ati msichana alionwa na Ejo. Na Ejo.
Maneno gani?
Mtihani niwaambie. Sasa mwadhani wangu kuja usikie maneno. Sasa ati huyo mtoto anasema ati ni wa Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit.
Kuna hiki kinaitwaga
tuambie.
How comes? Mshaisikia kizunguka hiyo?
Sijaisikia. Nimetoka Kiabu.
By the way, how comes Holy Spirit? Unataka kusikia Holy Spirit ni mbaya sana.
Sasa
tuambie.
sasa mimi hii mambo ya wasichana hii tabia baya wameanza.
Tabia gani tena?
Mimi nakwambia wangu nikampata. Nashika na nyonga.
Sasa
Wewe unasema una nyonga. Ninatafuna na kanyagia.
hai na wewe msichana afajagu hivyo. Sasa nikuogereswa.
Unasikia huyu ni Mary?
Nani wewe?
Nani? Aisha wangu tu amebaya.
Tawaombea. Sasa afanyeni hivi.
Twendeni sasa.
Mimi niko na wageni. Tuongee maneno lazima tunashughuliza vizuri nyinyi wa mama wazazi.
Lazima tuchunguze
Tabia.
tujue.
Wasichana Umeri ameenda sana. Ati spirit.
Lakini huyu ni mama mchoyo pia tumwache ende zake wewe kwa heri.
What will be Joseph's take?
Mary,
Joseph, will you turn away from me now?
I have found it hard to believe the voices in the market. How could you? Mary.
Joseph, if you have known me to be so, then why can't you believe me in this?
The evidence is real. It's not mine. Maybe you've been sleeping with...
But Joseph, do you genuinely believe that I can sleep with another man when I am betrothed to you, Joseph?
Angel?
Joseph, listen.
Another man?
Listen, Joseph.
Me? I'm not there? And all this? Mary, come on.
Joseph, do not turn away from me. I love you, Joseph. It did not matter to me that you are older than me, Joseph.
You're speaking about age? Whereas I'm supposed to be...
But Joseph,
Mary.
the angel Gabriel himself came to me and told
Angel
me that I am to be the mother of the
Gabriel.
Messiah. But Joseph, who could be the father of the Messiah but God alone, Joseph?
It must be that man. That man.
Which man now, Joseph,
man.
honestly? But you
Am I not good enough?
But you are
Mary.
the best. You've always been the best, Joseph. I've told you time and again. But Joseph, listen. I believe God has chosen us to be a husband and wife, Joseph. Why are you denying me right now?
See, you, the angel, the Holy Spirit, and God, I think they can marry you.
I'm finished. Joseph. Elizabeth. But I've not carried anything for her. God, how will she take me? But she has always been a good lady. How about Zachariah? Let me go and pay them a visit. Hello! Hodi! But she's not responding. God, into all that distance, have I wasted myself? Let me give a try again. Hodi! Elizabeth! She's not responding. She's here.
What a day to see you, my dear.
And you also, Elizabeth. Adonai Shalom. May the blessings of the Lord be upon you, and the peace of the Lord be within your walls.
He has certainly granted his blessings. Wait until I tell you the news.
Oh my God, what do you mean? That you're with a child? I'm telling you, people
You
are
know-
just blessed.
Distance is no barrier to gossip, I see.
I'm telling you, I can see. But Elizabeth, let me tell you, if an angel is said to gossip, I suppose not to.
An angel? You
Elizabeth,
too?
Gabriel himself.
The same that visited my husband, Zachariah.
Elizabeth, to tell me that I am to be a mother. Elizabeth, I'm to bear the Messiah.
Wait, Mary, what do you mean? You bear a child?
It's also shocking to me. I'm also frightened. Let me tell you, Elizabeth, when that angel came to me, Oh my God. I wished the earth to split into two so that I just enter inside because I was freaking. I just had mixed reactions.
Mary,
I didn't know what to
Mary.
do. Yes, my cousin.
I heard you say the Messiah. Do you know the meaning of a Messiah?
I'm telling you, I'm even too young to understand what the Messiah is. But let me tell you, according to my understanding, the Messiah means the child of the Most High. And I'm just wondering how God will implant a baby inside my womb. Ah! I'm telling you, this monstrous.
Mary! God and you, a child. Don't you know the scientific way of giving birth to a child?
It is also shocking to me as I'm telling you. This monstrous thing of God planting a baby inside a human being's womb.
But
I
I
also
know that
cannot
God
bear
is
the
a
news.
spirit. Huh? How will he inject the child inside you?
But Elizabeth, I am also so shocked as I'm telling you, but you cannot hear. A mere girl like me giving birth very young. My mother, I don't know where she will take me, as you've known her.
Mary, your words are making me...
No, are you okay? God, have a seat. Elizabeth. But what a joy, what a favor, what a blessing that she has a child at last. These old people who are calling her barren, little did they know that she is the mother of a prophet.
Stop it, Mary. Do you know what's with this child? This child is a vigorous one. But today, more than I have ever known,
What do you mean by vigorous?
I think he wants to run before he can even walk.
I don't know these things, you know. God of mercy, how can a child leap and become vigorous in a stomach?
Mary, I'm pitying you. If this is what you're going to go through, hey, then I'm
But
sorry.
let me tell you, Elizabeth, we've both been favored with miracles. But some miracles are just like the words of the prophet. Sweet to the words, but very heavy to bear, like you.
Mary, what do you mean by heavy?
Can't you see an example very heavy to bear?
Oh, I had forgotten.
Yeah.
He's a very heavy one.
It is well, Elizabeth. But, you know, I left mommy at home. She's alone. And I need to go back. I help her with the house chores. You know, we need to welcome some other visitors who are coming. And she will be very, very, very sad if I don't go help her.
Yeah, you should run and help her.
Yeah, sure. So, can you help me? I say bye to you.
Bye.
And some days, I know we are about to celebrate the coming soon, you know.
Yeah.
We will come drink tea as we say hi to you. So goodbye, my cousin Elizabeth.
Goodbye.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Guys, I told you the talent imeweza. I'm really enjoying it today. The talent on today's episode. In fact, shout out to my producer Mugore. I don't know where you find these people. They're amazing. You're so good at what you do, girl. So, guys, we're going to go on another short commercial break, but stick it here on KTN Life and Style and keep interacting with us on social media using the hashtag KTN Life and Style. I'll see you after the break.